Welcome to qnawire.
In this question, we want to find the percentage of kinetic energy loss to the collision between a vehicle and an animal such as a moose or a camel. Okay, so and the collision that we are dealing with is a totally inelastic collision. Okay, so in part A, it is a collision between um, a vehicle and a moose. Okay, so the mass of the vehicle is equal to 1000 kg, and then the mass of the moose is equal to 500 kg. Okay, and then and this collision is a totally inelastic collision. Okay, and so by conservation of momentum, we have mv vi equals to mv plus mm v final. Okay, so v final is mv vi divided by the total mass. Okay, so the final kinetic energy kf is half m mc plus mv mv plus m small m vf square. Okay, so you substitute. Okay, and then you simplify, you get half mv square, and then vi square divided by mv plus mm. Okay, and then the difference in kinetic energy, the magnitude, is going to be kinetic initial minus kinetic final. Okay, initial kinetic energy minus the final kinetic energy. Because there is a loss, so the ki will be bigger than kf. So by taking this difference, we get a positive number. So we have half m v vi square minus half mv square vi square divided by mv plus mm. Okay, then you can take out the half vi square, these are the common factor, and then you have mv minus mv square divided by mv plus m sub m, and then you simplify the thing, you get m sub m times m sub v divided by mv plus mm. Okay, and then the percentage of ke lost, k is equal to delta k divided by ki. Okay, so delta k is half vi square mv divided by mv plus mm. Okay, and divided by half mv vi square. Okay, so the half cancels, the vi square cancels, the mv cancels, and you have m sub m divided by mv plus m sub m. Okay, so we have 500 divided by 1000 plus 500. Okay, and this is 1/3. Okay, and this is 33.3%. Okay, so this is the answer for part A. Then in part B, instead of a collision between, we have a collision between a vehicle and a camel. Okay, this is at Saudi Arabia. Okay, so the mass of the vehicle is still 1000 kg. The mass of the camel is 300 kg. Okay, so the percentage of KE lost is still similar to this formula. Okay, just that we need to change the mass of the moose to mass of the camel. So we have MC divided by MV plus MC. Okay, 300 plus 1000 plus 300. Okay, and you calculate this, you get 3 over 13, and convert to percentage is 23%. Okay, so this is the answer for part B. Okay, and then in part C, we want to explain what happens. Okay, or in general, what happens to the percentage loss when the mass of the animal decreases. Okay, so as the animal mass decreases, the percentage loss of kinetic energy decreases. Okay, so this is the answer for part C, and that's all for these questions.